Another controversy has erupted as far as Indian wrestling is concerned. Now, Bajrang Punia, the bronze medalist from the last Olympics, has been provisionally and indefinitely been suspended by the National Anti-Doping Agency for refusing to provide a sample for doping as far as his last sample collection is concerned. Now, Bajrang Punia has of course come out in the public to say that he didn't refuse to give a sample, or that wasn't his major problem. It's just that he had asked for NADA's response on the kits that were being used to collect samples and do dope testing even out of competition that were expired. He has also released a video on social media from a previous sample collection date where he says that most of the sample collection kits, and he shows it, were expired even at the time. So, after speaking to his lawyer Vidushpat Singhania, CNN News 18 has learned that while they're still formulating their defense, this is going to form the crux of their defense, that there was no refusal to provide sample, but the sampling kits were all expired, and that is the response that Bajrang Punia sought from the agency on the last date of sample collection, which was around March 10th. Which eventually Bajrang Punia did not provide. Now, certainly an athlete can not provide a sample when an agency asks for at their own peril. Certainly the rules provide for the provisional suspension of athletes who fail or refuse to provide sample when asked for by the agencies, whether in or out of competition. In this case, it seems that Bajrang Punia is insisting that there was no refusal on his part, but eventually no sample was collected on that date, and therefore, in a decision taken by the NADA, the athlete has been suspended indefinitely and provisionally. Of course, he will present his defense through a lawyer. What we have confirmed, though, are two things. One, that Bajrang Punia was seeking a clarification from the agency on why they were using expired kits, which had happened with him before as well, and that's the video that they had shot and put out on social media. But eventually, as far as this suspension is concerned, no sample was provided. This case, though, will not be restricted to just that. It's not just going to be about sample providing and doping and anti-doping measures, because Bajrang Punia is one of those top wrestlers of the country who's been at the forefront fighting a battle with the BJP and with the central government as far as sexual assault and molestation of female wrestlers by former or sitting MP Brij Bhushan Sharan of the BJP is concerned, who was also the former WFI boss. While Bajrang Punia has not said so explicitly, a lot of people around him are already making the charge that this is just one of the ways to get back at the athlete who has been at the forefront of fighting this battle and has been pretty embarrassing for both the BJP and the central government. Now, the timing of the suspension is going to be extremely crucial for him, because we're barely 3 months to go before the next Olympics in Paris start. There are selection trials and selection spots still to be earned. Even an indefinite and provisional suspension at this stage could prove to be costly for Bajrang Punia. And how soon he is able to get his defense going, how soon he is able to be heard and get this suspension overturned is going to be of extreme importance to him if he doesn't want to suffer the consequences of not being able to participate in the upcoming Paris Olympics.
यह है 2022-23 में 2 फरवरी ने एक्सपायर लेगा रहे हैं। एक हो गया या 2023 में 6 महीने में एक्सपायर होगी या भाई ने भीतर तक डेली। हाँ, कोई नहीं बोल इसमें ब्लड रखा रही है भाई। यह है 23/11/2023 ने एक्सपायर होली अभी। एक बात दियो डॉक्टर साहब हुआ ये है भाई। एक या 22/12 ने एक्सपायर होली, क्योंकि ये सारे अब हम कोई टूर्नामेंट में नहीं। एक यह है या 22/8 ने एक्सपायर होली। या देखो
ये इस महीने हो रही है,
ये इस महीने एक्सपायर हुआ है। ये
कैसे देते हैं?
ये डोप टेस्ट मारे हैं। अब ना तो कोई टूर्नामेंट खेलते हम, सर्जरी कराई थी, सर्जरी के बाद दूसरा सैंपल है, और जब तक प्रोटेस्ट पे बैठे हैं 8 मागनुमा सैंपल लेना आए हैं। ये भाई जब टूर्नामेंट नहीं खेलते जब की बात है ये नहीं सैंपल देवा खिलाड़ी बैंगावा है सैंपल देवा है। तो ये चलो ये तो हमने देख ली। अगर किसी जूनियर बच्चे का लेना रहे हो तो वो ये चेक नहीं करा, क्योंकि मेरे तो भाई डॉक्टर है, टीम है, इसने चेक कर ली। लेकिन
भी हो जाए तो
भाई नु का देखा को बुला के, भाई मेरी तो गलती नहीं भाई, हम आपकी गलती नहीं बताते। जो आपके ऊपर मगरमच्छ बैठे हैं ना, जो जबरदस्ती फंसाना
मेरा
रहे
वीडियो
हैं,
मत
आपका नहीं बन रहा भाई।
जो जबरदस्ती,
आपका
आपका वीडियो नहीं डालेंगे,
आपका
जो
वीडियो
हम अपना डालेंगे। आपके ऊपर जो मगरमच्छ बैठे हैं ना, वो ये काम कर रहे हैं।